Familiarizing yourself with the child harness. The harness is your most important safety tool, along with the equipment attached to it that allows you to safely walk in the trees. It is important that you understand a few things about the harness before putting it on. We use a Simba harness for anyone under 88 pounds. This harness will go over your shoulders and around your legs, clipping together in the center with a D-ring and the equipment. The D-ring on the child harness is most important to keeping your harness together, so this must stay clipped at all times. The equipment is added last, so there is less for the child to worry about. A parent or guardian will want to assist the child as they put on their harness. There are animations on the side of the harness that indicate the outside of the harness, and the inside of these straps are black, which indicates that this is the side that goes against your body. The harness will be set on the ground the way it should be to make it easier for children. Steps to putting on the child harness. Parents, please feel free to assist your child through the harnessing process. The harnesses will be laid out facing the window upon your arrival. With the harness on the ground, put your feet through the leg loops and pull up like you would a pair of pants. Pull the shoulder straps over your shoulders like you would a backpack. Check for any twists in the straps now. They should all lay flat. Begin by pulling the shoulder straps, a little at a time to ensure evenness. Pull back on the black buckle and pull the slack until the gray loops rest just below your breast or sternum. There are black elastics. These are to go around the slack you have pulled to help keep the harness in place. These are important to make sure you have secured the slack on your harness. Next, pull the leg loops tight by pulling back on the black buckle and pulling the slack until comfortable and snug. Take your D-ring with the equipment and attach it to the gray loops in the center of the harness. To attach the D-ring, pull up the orange metal piece, twist and open the gate, and attach it to the gray loops in the center of the harness. Let go and it will relock itself. Tuck the trolley in the pouch located on the side of the harness, hook side first. To check the fit of the child harness. To check the fit of your shoulder straps, take your hands and try to pull the straps off your shoulders. If they can easily slip off, the harness is not tight enough. Remember, straps should feel snug, but not overly uncomfortable. To check the fit of your leg straps, raise your hands above your head and reach. If there is any discomfort, things may be too tight. Start with loosening the leg straps a little to relieve this. When you reach, the harness should not pull up significantly. If it does, things may be a little too tight. Another way to check the fit of the shoulder straps and leg straps is to bend over and touch your toes. Without discomfort, then your harness should be good. With significant discomfort, your harness may be too tight and should be adjusted accordingly. Clip the SSB clips together and gently put them around your neck. Double check your shoulders to make sure the straps cannot easily slip off your shoulders. Adjust if necessary. There are gloves located by the exit that you may use for free, or you can purchase a pair of gloves from our cashier before you leave the building if you haven't already. A staff member will now check your harness to make sure it doesn't need any further adjustments. Once you have your gloves, please proceed outside the harness shop. A park monitor will take a group down to our safety briefing area where you will learn more about your equipment, as well as the rules and operations of the park.